Hey guys, today we're in Tirana, Albania, and we're going to travel by bus to go visit my friend Rick in Tirana. Let's check it out.
Hey, Vern.
This is the bus that we're on. And this is the bus station, kind of in central Tirana. All right, guys, so we're back here at the square. And look at that, they rebuilt the Christmas tree. I'm so impressed. Now the vibe here is just like it was when we first came here about a week ago. Everybody's happy, everybody's having fun, holding hands, walking around. And so everything's kind of back to normal. The 2021 sign is back up. I'm really impressed. They did a really good job. Christmas has been restored. I feel good about that. Building up here, the museum that we were in last time, has been boarded up. It looks like we got in and out of there just in time to see the treasures that are inside. And so I'll show that in another video. You got
Sage.
Ah, Rick's got some sage. Ah, it smells good too. What's that song? Parsley and sage?
Just sage, I think.
A true friend of mine. How's that go?
You're making my ears bleed.
All right. Are we going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary in time. This made my day to come down here and see this. It really did. You have no idea. Because when I was in Turkey, I didn't see any Christmas lights. I didn't see any Christmas spirit. So I felt like this year I wasn't going to have that. And then to come see this tree and then to see it taken apart and burned and now to see it rebuilt, I'm pretty excited about that. You have no idea. Christmas has always had a special time in my heart. And I hope it's also had a special time in your heart too. Cool. The only thing missing are the reindeer. All right, so we got a nice little park here. This is a nice park. All right, guys, so we're here at Tirana Square, and we're just cruising along, seeing what's here, seeing who's here, seeing what's not here.
Once it gets dark, you really get more of that Christmas spirit.
Oh, I can believe that. Yeah. There's the reindeer. I don't see Rudolph. They screwed up. Better paint that nose red.
They gotta leave reindeer.
All right, so they got this 2-level carousel. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's kind of cool, huh? 2 levels. I've never seen that before. Look at that. That's cool.
Ma guarda che guarda che mare, da questa notte senza te vorrei morire, perché solo a ricordare e forse finire.
One thing that's nice about Albania is a lot of the words are pretty describable in some form of English. Not all of them, but a lot of them are. So there is a lively vibe here today in Tirana. Very close to Christmas. Today's what, the 20? That was dangerous. We're walking against the red light. I don't know what they're thinking. Maybe they weren't thinking. In any event. All right, so it's nice to see some Christmas lights out. Things are happening. People are out running around. Kind of a nice spirit. So we're at Sofia Cafe in Tirana. Nice younger vibe here. Very close to the square. So we're out at the little market here, checking out life. Ah, that's cute, little kiddo. Huh. So this place is real popular. Real popular. Another coffee shop here called Back Home. All right, so this is their little bazaar market out here. Rick's taking me up to this. So you can kind of see, it's kind of like a mini Istanbul. Really mini, but at least they have a lot of different things if you're looking for stuff. Nuts, spices, herbs. Kind of see the prices per kilo. So almonds are 1,800 per kilo. Kind of just look, thank you. So olives, lots of olives. These girls are into the olives. So 300 per kilo, 250 per kilo. So olives are really expensive back home. Kind of gives you an idea of what they cost here. And they're fresh. That's the beauty of it. Smells good here. Some pumpkins. Haven't seen pumpkins in a while. Some pineapples. No guess where those are from. So last time I was here, they only had the outside aisles that were open, and now, at least this time, the whole thing's in full swing. What I can tell. So if you're in Tirana and you need some fresh goods, come here. Check it out. So Rick was noticing this olive tree. He figures it's about 150 years old. All right, 41 seconds. He's got little timers here, just like back in the US. Time to get your little butt across the street. You know, people don't seem so quick to run me over when I got a camera in my hand.
Yeah. Well, it's Sunday. Things actually,
That's true.
at least that's my impression. It kind of tones down or something.
Yeah.
Look at that ice cream.
Look at that. Eat more ice cream. Very good. Grab and go. All right, so this is a fairly old bridge, and we're gonna walk across it here. Here we go. It's not very smooth. I will say that. If it's wet, you're gonna slide on your butt. Thank you. All right, you guys. So Rick took me to this cool little antique shop. Got some really old uniforms, 1930. That's kind of cool. So now we got to see what antiques look like in Albania. Some shot cups. Oh yeah.
Moroccan design.
Oh yeah. Very different. You got the hanging garlic. Antique hanging garlic. All right, cool. Got an Albania tambourine. I've been missing one of those my whole life. that. All right, cool. And you even have a Santa Claus ready and in season. Look at that. A lot of cool stuff. Huh.
This cup right here, I tried bargaining with him. Moroccan design, Moroccan Egypt.
Mm-hmm.
He wanted $100 and he wouldn't budge.
Oh, you're kidding.
And it was too much for me.
Oh my gosh.
But it is a lovely cup.
If you need some bugs, you can buy your bugs. I like that shot right there. She got a gun right to her head. That's just kind of crazy, kind of weird. I got some really off-the-wall stuff. I got some friends that would just be digging this stuff back home. I'm looking for a necklace is what I kind of want to find, some kind of a necklace. Rick's looking for some asparagus. I did find some. Oh, it's like 3 bunches in the whole place. Not many people have it. So $3 for a bunch of asparagus. So this is freshly made olive oil here, you guys. This is what it looks like. And it's not filtered, right? Not filtered?
Right.
Got a nice little home orchard going on here. You guys even got a Frosty the Snowman. How's that? A little Christmas spirit in Albania. Oh. We're here by this factory out by the college. Just kind of checking it out as we're on our way to get something to eat. And Rick showed me they're taking down this smokestack piece at a time. This is our little hideaway. We come here for a bit to eat. I've eaten here before and it's really good. It's kind of an a la carte. All right, so here's what we got for $5.50, and Rick's dinner was $4.75. Look at that, good times. So we're in Tirana, is that how you say it, Rick? Tirana?
Tirana.
Tirana?
Yeah.
And Rick's been here about 2 months. And he seems to like it. But I think he'd prefer to be outside of the city in a smaller, quieter place. And eventually I'll kind of poke around Albania and see what it has to offer. Some people have been mentioned that it's kind of nice to be outside the city to get a little bit better vibe of what the country's like. So that's what we're gonna aim for a little later. Kind of see what things are like. All right, so Rick's gonna buy some chestnuts. Little holiday cheer. Nice. All right, so I miss the Christmas lights. It's really nice to see. Got a little bit of flashing things going on here. I do miss the Christmas stuff. I'm glad I came here when I did. I really am. So they have these crazy pillboxes around here.
There was a piece of the Berlin Wall back there, but you can get that some other time. Forgot about
So
that.
you want to go over there?
Well, see where the bus is right there?
Yeah.
Start going out of sight. See the lights right there?
Uh-huh.
That's the beginning of the square. We're almost there.
Oh, okay, good. All right. Let's check it out. Guys, so it's Christmas in Albania. Check it out. Got this cute little truck here. Look at that. What do you think, guys? Is that cool? I think so. So which one do you belong in?
Hey, 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 hey.